Deep in the heart of the Arizona desert lies a place of breathtaking beauty and raw wilderness. The Wave and Vermillion Cliffs National Monument beckon adventurers seeking a true escape. Towering sandstone cliffs sculpted by time and the elements paint the landscape in vibrant hues of red, orange, and gold. This is not a place for the faint of heart. The Wave and Vermillion Cliffs demand respect, preparation, and a thirst for adventure. The Wave, a sandstone rock formation, is a coveted destination within the monument. Its swirling patterns and vibrant colors are a photographer's dream. But the Wave is just the beginning. The entire Vermillion Cliffs National Monument sprawls across thousands of acres. It offers endless opportunities for exploration and solitude. From rugged canyons to hidden arches, every turn reveals a new wonder. Backcountry hiking in Vermillion Cliffs is not for the casual stroller. Trails are often unmarked and challenging. The terrain is rugged, with steep climbs and loose rock. Temperatures can soar during the day and plummet at night. This is the wilderness at its finest. But with the right preparation and a sense of adventure, the rewards are immeasurable. Pack plenty of water, as there are no reliable sources along the way. Wear sturdy hiking boots to protect your feet from the rocky terrain. Navigation is crucial. A map, compass, and GPS device are essential tools for staying on course. Be prepared for extreme weather conditions. Carry layers of clothing to adjust to the fluctuating temperatures. Remember, this is a true test of your limits. Embrace the challenge and let the rugged beauty of the landscape inspire you. For those seeking a deeper connection with nature, primitive camping is an unforgettable experience. Imagine sleeping under a blanket of stars, the silence broken only by the whisper of the wind. Vermillion Cliffs offers designated primitive campsites, accessible only by foot. These sites provide a true escape from civilization. When primitive camping, it's essential to be self-sufficient. Pack everything you need, including a tent, sleeping bag, cooking gear, and plenty of water. Dispose of waste properly. Leave no trace of your presence behind. Remember, you are a visitor in this pristine environment. Treat it with respect. The landscapes of the Wave and Vermillion Cliffs are a testament to the power of time and the forces of nature. Millions of years of geological processes have created a visual masterpiece. Sand dunes, once deposited by ancient winds, have solidified into towering sandstone cliffs. Erosion has carved intricate canyons, arches, and hoodoos. The vibrant colors of the rock formations are equally captivating. Iron oxide, present in the sandstone, creates shades of red, orange, and yellow. These colors shift and change with the light, creating a constantly evolving spectacle. Exploring this geological wonderland is like stepping back in time. Each rock formation tells a story of ancient environments and powerful forces that have shaped our planet. Section 5, Wildlife Encounters, a glimpse of desert life. Despite its harsh conditions, the Vermillion Cliffs National Monument teems with life. Desert creatures have adapted to thrive in this arid environment. Keep a watchful eye out for desert bighorn sheep, their massive horns a testament to their resilience. Lizards dart among the rocks, while birds of prey soar overhead. Remember, these animals are wild and should be observed from a safe distance. Never approach or feed wildlife. Carry binoculars for a closer look without disturbing them. By respecting the animals that call this place home, you contribute to the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Section 6. Essential tips for adventurers. Venturing into the Wave and Vermillion Cliffs requires careful planning and preparation. Permits are required for all visitors. The number of permits is strictly limited to protect the fragile ecosystem. Apply for permits well in advance as they are in high demand. Hydration is crucial. Carry plenty of water as there are no reliable sources available. The desert sun can be relentless. Wear a wide-brimmed hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen to protect yourself from harmful UV rays. Let someone know your itinerary before you go. In case of an emergency, it's vital to have someone aware of your whereabouts. Section 7. Respecting the land. A shared responsibility. The Wave and Vermillion Cliffs are not just stunning landscapes, they are sacred places. For centuries, Native American tribes have considered this area to be spiritually significant. As visitors, we have a responsibility to treat this land with the utmost respect. Pack out everything you pack in, leaving no trace of your presence. Stay on designated trails to minimize your impact on the fragile ecosystem. Be mindful of noise levels and avoid disturbing the peace and tranquility of this special place. Remember, we are guests here. Let's ensure that future generations can experience the same beauty and solitude that we do. Section 8. The Rewards of Solitude. Finding peace in the wild. In a world that's constantly connected and demanding, the Wave and Vermillion Cliffs offer a rare opportunity to disconnect and recharge. The vastness of the landscape and the silence of the desert can be both humbling and liberating. Here you can truly escape the noise and distractions of everyday life. As you hike through the canyons or sit under a star-filled sky, take the time to appreciate the solitude. Breathe in the fresh air, listen to the wind whispering through the rocks, and allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. The rewards of solitude are profound. It's a chance to connect with nature, reflect on your life, and find a sense of peace that can be elusive in the modern world. Section 9. Conclusion. A journey for the soul. The Wave and Vermillion Cliffs National Monument are more than just a destination. They are a journey for the soul. It's a journey that will challenge you physically and reward you spiritually. It's a place where you can disconnect from the world and reconnect with yourself. So if you're seeking adventure, solitude, and a chance to witness the raw beauty of the American Southwest, add the Wave and Vermillion Cliffs to your bucket list. But be prepared to be humbled, inspired, and forever changed by the experience. This is a place that will stay with you long after you've left its sandstone embrace.